Oh, what's good, y'all? It's me, Antonio Young, back with another one, y'all. Y'all, this morning for my breakfast, I'm about to eat me some fried Roman noodles with scrambled egg and fried onions, all mixed together. Alright? Have y'all ever ate y'all Roman noodles like that? Y'all noodles like that? Fried Roman noodles with two cracked eggs on top, scrambled together with onions, fried. Let me show y'all how my fried Roman noodles with scrambled egg and fried onions look. Alright, let me show y'all how it look. It's gonna be good. Alright, hold on. See that what it look like. Fried noodles with scrambled eggs. And onion. That look good, don't it? Fried Roman noodles, baby, with scrambled egg and onions. Look good, don't it? Yeah, I'm about to tear it up. Let's see what it tastes like. Alright. Fried ramen noodles. It tastes pretty good though.
The way that you set it up.
Yeah. Tastes pretty good. Fried ramen noodles. Alright. Let's get down. Let's try this fried ramen noodles with scrambled egg and fried onions. See? That's what it look like. Fried ramen noodles with scrambled egg and fried onions. All cooked together. Look good, don't it? Let's see what it tastes like. It tastes pretty good. Have y'all ever eat y'all ramen like that? Fried Roman noodles with scrambled egg and fried onion. All together, fried all together in one. I had to do it in step by step though to get it to look so good like this though. I could have melted some cheese on top, but I didn't.